Kausapin naman natin ngayon yung ating expert about sa finance, si Randolph Lawayan. Napakabigat mangutang.
Yes, Attorney. I heard from our farmer leader, Edgar, ay napakasakit yung 30%. As per General Banking Law, wala akong nakitang ganun. Percentage, kahit penalty or actual interest. Attorney, you can answer this, Attorney. Is it within the laws and regulations of the Republic of the Philippines? This 30%? Yes.
Okay, kiniquiz na kami, Mr. Randolph Lawayan, alright? Pero meron kasing concept na usury sa ating rules and regulations ng Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Hindi nila sinasabi kung ano yung fix na dapat na maximum interest. Pero ang principle is, huwag dapat sobra-sobra.
Yes.
Ang tanging point lang ni Randolph is, kung maiiwasan sana natin na hindi mangutang ng ganito, mas malaki sana yung kikitain ng ating Tobago farmers. Di ba?
Yes, that's it.
Yeah, buddy.